Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll be checking out a premium level LED monitor that provides more than 95% DCI P3 theater level color rendering with a Type-C interface, QHD resolution, and a quick response time. Introducing the Dahua Premium Monitor. Here's the product box. You can see its basic information here. This product comes in 24-inch, 27-inch, and 32-inch. Today, we'll be looking at the 27-inch. Let's go! Inside the box is a stand, a base, a user manual, a power cord, an HDMI cable, and 2 packs of screws. And finally, the monitor. Here's the product fully assembled. As I said before, we are looking at the 27-inch model. You can see its dimensions here. The premium monitor is fitted with an IPS panel and a 3-sided frameless design. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440, you can be sure to experience crispier images than standard HD. Great for photographers, graphic designers, and CAD engineers. With more than 95% of DCI P3 theater level color rendering, it meets the designer's pursuit of image texture. What's more, the new Type-C interface supports power from the monitor and data transmission, keeping your desktop tidier and clutter-free. Additionally, the premium monitor boasts a 5-millisecond quick response time that provides clearer images without blurring or ghosting. To match your viewing needs, you can customize your mount. We're using the adjustable mount, which allows you to change the height and angle or rotate the monitor up to 90 degrees, great for coders and programmers. Or you can choose the standard bracket if you don't need to adjust the monitor. As I mentioned, the premium monitor is ideal for video editors, photographers, computer-aided designers and engineers, coders, and programmers. Overall, the Dahua Premium Monitor is a high-end tool that provides QHD images and top performance for professionals. Its IPS panel supports higher speed, an extra-wide viewing angle, and more accurate colors for crisp, clear images and videos. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.